An important part of vehicle maintenance and business practice is documentation. J-Pro gives techs the tools to diagnose and repair the truck, as well as effectively record and document the procedure. In previous videos, we discussed how J-Pro automatically records vehicle data and stores it on the hard drive. Those files can be accessed and manipulated as if you are connected to the vehicle. That electronic data can be shared, but it can only be viewed by other J-Pro users. What if you want to share a J-Pro file with someone who does not have J-Pro installed? Easy. Click on Reports on the toolbar at the top of the home screen. When you select it, you'll see the option to either print or preview the Fleet Diagnostic Report. Let's take a look at what a printed report should look like. What you'll find is an Adobe file. If you don't have Adobe, it is free and easy to download onto your machine. What J-Pro does is take the data that you would see on the home screen when you connect to a vehicle and puts it into a printed standard format. J-Pro will automatically time and date stamp the document. The vehicle information, VIN number, unit number, make, model, and model year will be included at the top of the reports. The report will also include a listing and description of the individual components, their serial number, software version, and network. These reports generally include multiple pages, depending on the system and number of faults on the vehicle. The next page of the report will generally feature the parameter settings on the vehicle. Again, this information represents the information J-Pro pulled from the vehicle at the time of connection. In this example, we can see that when this vehicle was connected to J-Pro, the ABS light was on. Last, but certainly not least, the report includes active and inactive fault codes, the affected component, fault descriptions, the lookup code and FMI, and the count or number of times the fault has appeared on the vehicle. This is just like the table you find on the home screen within the J-Pro application. Again, since this is an Adobe file, you can print or email it, or even use the signature feature in Adobe to send the report and have someone sign it to authorize it. J-Pro gives you several ways to capture, document, and share valuable data. Remember, all this information is available in the J-Pro User Guide. For more information or to purchase J-Pro, please call our support team or visit us online.